This is one of the cladding material. The CNC cutting of laminate.
Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm for an outing and being obsessed with interior design and its material. I thought to share few of the material knowledge with you. We are surrounded with so many things, guys, and somehow we ignore it when we move around. So for all the newcomers who are trying to conceive interior design as their profession and are trying to renovate their house, please be connected with me. I'll share you very small things which are really useful and can bring a good change in your life. So let's go.
This is a UV blasting done on veneer, wood or stone. It is a machine done work.
The next material what we are going to see, if you see this is a laminate border. It's a golden color, and if you see the detailing inside, again there's a base of laminate, and this is a CNC cutting of laminate done, and above it one glass protection has been given. This is one of the cladding material here. Again, if you can see these steel balls, these are been arranged with a collage of steels, and again above it there is a punning done and coated. There are different style of doing in this. You can arrange with different patterns, different sizes again. And this, instead of coating from above, I can use a cement concrete. I'll surely in the next blog I'll show you what cement concrete are, and I'll cover you with some more ideas with this type of cladding. So if you see these are the letters which are being cut in CNC. It's a machine cut thing, and the color what it is given above it is the metallic coat. This is not metal, but the coating which is given is a metal coat, so that this gives you a metallic look. So you can see a beautiful door with an antique finish here, with an old style pattern, with a vintage look. Some of the interesting parts I will tell you in these again. And if you see here, this is again one of the CNC cutting, and it can be done in MDF, HDHMR, and again and you can color coat it with Duco paint, PU paint. You have different options with this. You can create lot of patterns in this. So these are vinyl stickers. If you see closely, these are waterproof and can be sticked on any surface, and generally it is made for printing purpose. These are all customized and you can stick it directly on any surface. So next material you can see here, these are basically a laminate coated board, and if you see the white patch, this is an acrylic sheet which is backlit, and this is how it has been created. Again,
This material is a Korean sheet which can be bent in different shapes, and it comes in different variety also. If you can see the corners, it is very curved and it can be bent, and mostly it is used for vanities.
the next material we have here, this is a metal cladding on the column, and it's been given a curved look and enhances the look of the column here. So guys, today you have seen so many materials with me. Knowingly or unknowingly, we don't observe these things. Interior is only about observation and the knowledge what you consume, and designing comes like this. So for more such tips and knowledge, do follow me, subscribe and like.